I love making something out of nothing. I'm not trained, but I am brave and determined. Of course, I could hire a professional, but DIY first. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is the next to last episode. The next episode will be the final reveal. But today we are working on the vent hood.
Cool. There you go. Unravel stuff. They supposed to use some wire nuts.
To connect them.
But probably they can probably get them in that box right there.
Right,
That's probably
right.
why they didn't use them.
It's full.
Oh, fall.
You didn't know.
I didn't know this is what I was gonna be doing, man. Oh, fall.
Funny how stuff like happens like that.
That's
You
why I
don't
don't
know
question
what.
that's why I don't question my journey no more, boo.
Yeah,
That's why I embrace everything that I start learning.
yeah.
Cause you don't know where you learning
You
it.
don't know.
What you mean? How we hooking it up? How's that
Yeah,
hooking?
because it's two black wires, but that particular black wire is going to a red wire. So do you want to put a little piece of tape on that wire so we can tell the difference from that one and the other one?
Well, this one is coming from all the ones, these skinny ones, they're coming from the vent hood. So in this one,
You understand what I'm saying?
yeah, you got to know where to put what, the main wires. So I see this main black wire is on the other black. That's the black to black. So the one I got tucked behind here goes to this black wire.
So is that black wire thicker than the other one or something? How you gonna tell them apart?
Yeah, well, this one is this one to the vent hood.
What about this one?
This one goes to this system right here, whatever this is.
Oh, it's in the box.
It's in the box.
Okay.
This is outside the box.
Okay,
See what I'm saying?
that's going away.
That's gonna stay, but this going away, because that's the
Okay.
vent hood joint. All right, we are in.
So the two copper wires is what's coming out of that black from the breaker box, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then the box itself got some wires connected to it. Now,
Now,
you just got to figure out how to unhook this this vent.
okay,
Pretty sure
so
I
it's
cut
this
this
right
tape.
here.
So, well, so look at it. So you can see how it fit on top of, you can see from
On
over
top
here.
of it, yeah.
You can see it's fitted on there.
Uh-huh.
So
Around
I
it, so
wonder,
you
can we
gotta-
just pull it down?
Well,
What
that's,
you think?
well, it depends. If this is not, it's just
If it's just
wrapped
sitting
up,
there, or
right.
is it
hooked
crimped
on to
on,
something.
kind of
Right.
way?
That's what I'm
You
trying to
wanna
understand.
You want to try to gently pull on it and see if it come down?
Mm-hmm.
Coming. I see it moving. It's moving. I see the connection ends here. It's not like it's just sitting up against this. It's not connected. Because if you pull it down, you can see a gap.
That's on the wall, boo. It's just it's stuck to the wall.
I think it's painted shut.
Mm-hmm. It is. You gotta
It's
cut
forward.
it. Yeah. See? Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
What was that? That was this light? No, that was what was the light? What light just went out, man? I'm like, what the? I'm like, wait a minute, bro. I know I just saw a light. What the hell are these?
We need to come straight down.
What that is?
Food coloring.
Goodness,
Probably
bro.
from the 60s.
Goodness.
Yeah. Something else back there. We need to come straight down.
It's this holding it in there.
Okay.
That gotta come off.
Oh, okay. I can see another screw here. I see if I can unscrew.
Here.
All right, vent. Goodbye.
90 years ago.
I was trying to be extra careful with how I took down this cabinet, which is why I am cutting it into pieces. My thought was that this vent pipe was going through the roof and I did not want to cause any damage. Now I thought that's supposed to go through the roof.
It is. I put them cracks right there. See them cracks up there? You see the light? See the light coming through? That's where it's going.
That ain't how it's supposed to be, though.
Just tell you what it is.
So, this job wasn't made right anyway. Because when you vent, it's supposed to go to the roof. It's not supposed to vent into the attic, though.
Yeah, that's where it's going.
That's not how it's supposed to be. At least the vent hood I got is convertible. You can do it vented or unvented. If you get a charcoal filter, you don't have to have a vent. So I guess I'm gonna have to use it that way.
So then you just close this up.
Right. Well, that's disappointing this whole time. It's been vent into the attic.
Well, at least we know though.
Anyway. Oh well.
Alright, we know now though.
You guys let me know. Am I overreacting? Is it okay that this vent was made the way that it was, or am I correct? I don't know. Leave a comment and let me know if you know better than I do, because obviously I'm not an expert. I'm just learning. So let me know, was this made correctly or not? I noticed that the old drywall was sticking out a little bit further than the wood. And since I needed it to be flush in the front, I just trimmed the edge off a little bit.
I got drywall all over my hair. No? Okay.
So now that I had the box built, I needed to have something to screw the vent hood into. So I put these pieces of wood here, sort of like braces, so that I can screw the hood into it. I originally mismeasured the box and I had to make it shorter because this vent hood is actually bigger and it's deeper than the other one. So I needed to kind of adjust the size. The way this vent hood is made, it's skinnier than the other one, I believe, or at least it's skinnier than the cabinet box was. So there actually is a little bit of a gap in the back, so that's what that other piece of wood is for. The vent hood needs to sit flush with the front.
Chitty-floom. Hey,
Yeah, right.
we got light. We got air.